afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday, January the 30th, 2024, almost end of the month. We have here 3 regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the tectonic, aka JigSaw Sudoku. We have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the ladder Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. 2 JigSaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with a 1 star. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. And the news of today, well, I believe the Eurosong Festival several countries want to boycott Israel because the war between Israel and Gaza. Yeah, I believe the Song Festival will be held in May, I believe. May or April, I don't know. Anyway, let me continue with the Sudokus. The first one I will solve is the 3 stars Sudoku number. This will be number 7899. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this should be a 2 stars puzzle, but it's indicated with the 3 stars. 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the 5 in this column, 5 in that column? So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the middle row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright. Now I cannot continue with the 5. I need to wait. How about 7? Okay, 7. Need a 6 there. Need a 8 here. Well, we have here 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is an 8. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Here or there. We see another 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. So 3 missing numbers now in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in this box. Here can be 6. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright. And now, let me see. How about the number? Need a 9 here, need a 9 there. Yeah. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here 4 in this row, no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. So now, 2, 2, 2, 2. Need to think. Need a 3, need a 7. 7, 3, and the 1. Yeah. We have a pair. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 1, 3, 7. 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7. Here can be 7. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. Here can be a 1. We have 1 in this column, so no 1 there. So the 1 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. Alright. Then 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Alright, need a 9. Let me think. Then 4 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 in the middle row could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 1 in the third column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. Alright. Need a 6 here. Okay. Need a 8. Need a 9. Okay. How about need an 8 here, need an 8 there. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column. First column, no 8 in these 3 boxes. Here and 8 in the first row, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column. 8 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 6, 8, 9. 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9. And look, we have 6 and 8 in this big square, so no 6 and 8 in this box. 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the middle row for number 9. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright, need a 9 here. The 9 in this row, the 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. The 9 in the third row, the 9 in the second row, so the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Alright. Then 1. No. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for 6 should be there. Then need a 6 here. And I need a 6 there. That means in this column we need a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. And we have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 in this column should be there. Alright. Then let me see. 1, 2, 8. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8. And look, we have 2 and 8 in the first row, so no 2 and 8 in this box. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 2 goes there. So 1 is left in this column for number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. Cannot continue with the 1 now, need to wait. How about the 4 in the last column? 4 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. Alright. Then need a 7 here. And I need a 2 here. Okay, how about these 3 missing numbers? 3, 7, 3, 7, 4. 3, 7, 4. 3, 7, 4, 3, 7. I need a 7. Come on. Where are the 7s? 1, 7, 3. 1 here. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is number 1. Here can be 1, we have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in this column should be there. So 1 digit left now in this big square for number 7. The 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. Okay, and now 7 and the 3. 7 and a 3. I need to think. 7, 3 and the 2. Need a 2 here. How about here? 2, 6. And 2, 6 and 8. Nope. No. Come on. 2, 2. Need a 2 there also. And what here? 3, 5, and 4. 3, 5, and 4. 3, 5, 4. 3, 5. No. Come on. Need a 4 here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. 4 in this row. Last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for 4 should be there. So the 4 should be one of these 3 boxes. Okay. 2, 7, 3. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. Well, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. So the 2 and the 3 are left. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. So 1 digit left in this big square from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in the second column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright, and now 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing. So we have a 3 in this row, third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left with 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 5 goes there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then, let me see. Yeah. About the 2 then. No. 2. Need a 2 there. Okay. Need a 2 here. And I need a 7 here. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So in the row above, only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the second column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. And 1 box left in the second column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. Oh, 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1 was the 1. 2 is missing. 3 and a 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column. Third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. The 2 in the third column. 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only place level 2 should be there. The 2 in the third row, the 2 in the first row. So the row between second row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. So 2 numbers are left in this column, the 6 and the 8. 6 and the 8 are missing. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And the final number in this big square for number, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing. Finishing 15 minutes. Well. Maybe I talked too much, otherwise it will be a 1 star. But told you, should be a 2 stars puzzle. And we solve it again, And I like this one here, so really do it. So thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.